want to make a card with. I want to make a crypto ledger card with Bondly, man. I'm dreaming about my own Bondly card right now. I was just daydreaming about having my own Bondly card where I look all buff with like a sword. You know? Thought that would be so cool. I'm becoming a real crypto nerd all the way. Yo, guys, I have some amazing information. That's right. Some unbelievable information for you guys to learn. You're not going to believe it. It's absolutely ridiculous. Okay? And I got it for you here, live. So check it out. Are you watching Bitcoin at the very moment? The time is 10:22 on 12/29. An amazing time to be alive. Bitcoin is about to approach its previous all-time high at $28,418. It just got rejected at $28,234. But if we look at the 4-hour is about to have a bullish cross. The Stokes are pointing up, and the RSI looks like it wants to fly above that dotted line. So, what is happening? Where do I see Bitcoin going? To $30,489. Bitcoin on its way to 30K. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining. I appreciate that. I see Bitcoin going up to $30,000, possibly in the middle of the night tonight. And to make it, to hit 30 on 12/30, 30,000 on 30. Can they do it? Can they do it? Can they do it? They skipped the 29,000 on 20. Can they hit 30,000? Now we just broke back down below 28,000, but we are flirting. Let me show you some smaller time frames so I can show you what's going on. Take a look at the 7-minute, okay? About, I'd say, an hour ago, we were sitting in this bull flag like so. Now you can see that all the moving averages have crossed. We just had the 50 cross 200. Bullish, bullish. We're having a retest right here at this level of support at 29,950 right there. We're fighting through it here. Big, big move. If we hold this level, 30K is on. I'm telling you right now, if we hold this level right here, 30K is on. It's that simple. If we break down, I'm not sure. We hold this level here. We don't go much lower than 20,990. Maybe we wick a little lower to 880 at the very least, which we did already and got bought back up. As you can see here, we're now forming yet another mini bull flag here. Okay? And this bull flag has a target if we take the length of the pole to the 21-day moving average and we move it up. And that target, my friends, is $28,735. From there, we should go sideways and boom up. But look for Bitcoin to hit its all-time highs. That's right. Another big company, GreenPro, comes in, buys Bitcoin. Look at this. GreenPro, it was called. Right? See what I called it here. GreenPro stock price leaps 103% with the Bitcoin buy. Amazing. GreenPro announces a Bitcoin fund on December 28th. Yesterday morning, I didn't see this news, out of Guadalajara, Access Wire, GreenPro Capital Corp. On the NASDAQ is GRNQ. Today announced that it intends to set up a Bitcoin fund for investments. GRNQ announced today that it believes in the ongoing mass adoption of Bitcoin by the banks, hedge funds, insurance companies, and institutions, and endorses its belief that Bitcoin, as the world's most widely adopted cryptocurrency, is a reliable future store of value. We believe the strategic management of our balance sheet combined with the implementation of our BTC fund and crypto strategy will produce significant future value for the company, GRNQ, and believes that BTC and other top cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum will provide the opportunity for better returns and preserve the value of our capital over time rather than holding cash. We also remain committed to our incubation business model as well as our satellite and AI accounting business. Unbelievable. So big news. And look, if we go back to the other thing, when we look at their stock price today, up 103%. GreenPro stock price leaps 103% with the Bitcoin buy. I just want to take a look at their stock. GreenPro. What was it leaning? GreenPro Corp on the NASDAQ. And wow. So there was the shoot up. It did retrace immediately. You know, the news was huge. Look at the gap, though. So you bought that night at 126, and you woke up the next morning just flying all the way to 272. Even more than 100% gains. It did retrace, but it's finding some nice support here. Very interesting. Weird stock. Looks like they pump and dump this thing all the time. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. That is a shady, shady stock that's very manipulated. If you can't see it, very, very manipulated. Thank you for the popcorn. Shout out to Hadouken, my man. Shout out to Theo Wrench, everyone out here. But yes, this is exclusive news right now. Bitcoin possibly going to 30K. You may wake up tomorrow morning very close to 30K, somewhere in the 29,000s and then onwards and upwards. 1 inch, you little bee. I tried to get you here, you bugged me. I tried to get you here, you bugged me. And then you went to 75 and flew all the way to 1 and went up 25%. 1 inch. But now 1 inch, you are being held up by the 200-day moving average. Whenever I see that, that's a good indication. That's the beginning of a new trend to the upside. So 1 inch looks like it was sold off, and now it's going to start building. I have similar thoughts for Bitcoin. Yes, because you're an astute student of the game who keeps your head deep in the Bitcoin world, where you are forever watching all the time. LTO is one of my favorites. I love me some LTO. What do you guys think? LTO at 1198.6. It was just at 1050 of the day, reaching a top, about to go to all-time highs. Look at that. Ascending triangle. This thing is so close to blowing up. It's absurd. Look at this. And I'll have you know, LTO likes to kind of move regardless of what Bitcoin does. I've seen LTO just do whatever it wants, man. It does. It's one of those coins that just, it's connected. It's connected to a space that does not care about the Bitcoin. Yeah, LTO going easily up to 15 from this 12 that it just hit. Watch LTO to move. USDT pairs are going to fly up as Bitcoin rips. What's up, Fritz Lang? Been a long time, man. Haven't seen you in a while. Metropolis. Yeah, Fritz Lang was the famous director that did Metropolis. We always go with this, right? I went to film school, so whenever I see your name, it reminds me of that. Well, this is a little spent on the 1 hour LTO right now. Okay. A little more room coming on the 4 hours. Possible. We'll see what happens here. I'd like to see the 1 hour roll down before I take a shot. Daily's already kind of starting its move, though. And looks like we could go into price. I guess we're not in price discovery. Price discovery would be all the way up here at 1769. I wasn't looking at the whole chart. Sorry about that. Bit of a double bottom kind of forming, or definitely a higher low. Will we come up here and then make a cup and handle? Very possible. And then I can get in on the handle at like 12 and ride it up to 20. Looks pretty sweet. But yeah, what a great coin. KSM about to go to all-time highs. Very, very close. Once it breaks this, it's going to fly. This is a double bottom. You could just take the length from here to here like so, and then swing that up. That's going to give you 26% gains out of KSM, going up to 80 beans. So don't miss out on KSM. 3 times in 1 day. It's lit. We here, boss. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Really, really appreciate that. Yeah, this is just a quick Bitcoin update. And for you, because I love you so much, Ross. Ross, we got to get your tutor session in, man, please. I don't like when it goes this long. You know, I want to get you in. Let me know. You could do whatever you want. I'm not trying to rush you, but I don't want you to, you paid already and it's been a few weeks. So I'm an honest person and it just makes me feel kind of uncomfortable, So I want to get you in the game. You just let me know when you're ready. I'm happy you took a break. I'm about to take a break from trading. 4-day break. First 4-day break I've taken in like 4 or 5 months. Can you take a look at Ether? Yeah. Take a look at gold, though. Gold's about to break out of this triangle and keep moving. So I would keep continuing onto the gold. Look, it's consolidating out, and it's about to blast. Gold's about to move. Even in the short term, you're going to get gold back up to 1910. All right? So good pips coming for gold tomorrow. 4 hours looking great for you, right? 1 hour as well. It's Curving down. Might go sideways, actually. You might want to wait for the pip till today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday morning. Looks like you'll be good. Well, DeFi, do it soon. We'll definitely do it soon, boss. Can you take a look at ETH? Yeah, for sure. Let's take a look at ETH. Why not? Why the heck not? You guys are my loyals, man. You are my day ones. You know, I actually have that here. Look. Look. My day ones. See my day ones? I got a folder for y'all. I know who you all are. You're in my day ones folder. And you guys will be getting exclusive hookups, extra stuff, just things when I'm feeling buttery and I have some good trades. Keep your wallet addresses around because I'm a nice guy when it comes to the people that are nice to me. I'm a lot like Brandon from Bondly. I know who takes care of me and I take care of them. So stay tuned. And okay, watching gold and silver closely. Yeah, they're going to start moving with Bitcoin. The dollar, just watch the dollar index. And whenever you see that dumping, get into gold and silver. Pretty nice and easy trade. Let's take a look at ETH. You want ETH Bitcoin? You want ETH USDT? I think you just want to see like what it's costing, right? In the pair here. Yeah, ETH doing great. Look at it, double bottoming here, which is really nice. And let's see. I have ETH going up. If you see here, ETH was in a few patterns. Okay. First pattern we see is right here. Isn't that crazy how you can just see them immediately? And then we had a beautiful retrace where we bounced right here just to make sure this trend line was going to hold. And it said, yeah, we're going to hold that. Then you have my camel, leg, hump, camel head. Is the camel going to spit to the top? I believe it may. Now, if we take the length of this pole to the 21-day moving average, kind of something like this, we bring that up, straighten it a little bit for a nice angle. Just an uncanny way of finding my levels. And that gives us a ETH at $840. And we're basically almost there. You know, once ETH broke 600, 800 was coming really, really fast. Shout out to Legendary. That's a new name here on the stream. Thank you so much. Please join the Telegram group in the link below. If you like what you're hearing, if you like the content, if you like my voice. Someone may give you the same content, but it just may not sound as sexy, right? I'm just messing with you guys. Crypto Mike turned me to your channel. He's a good guy. Make sure he's on your list. Oh, man. Crypto Mike. Me and Crypto Mike. You don't even know. We're brothers from another mother, man. Crypto Mike and me. That's my dude, man. That's my dude. I know why you're here, man. Because we have the same vibe. If you're vibing with Crypto Mike, you're vibing with me. I'm telling you right now. And I'm so loyal to Crypto Mike. Anyone talks anything on that dude, gonna have to come see the Crypto Lifer, man. I ain't having it. I know who's been good to me. Crypto Mike's been good to me. Love that dude. You know how many people he sent me? You know how many subscribers he sent me? You know, freaking love that dude. Immediate short term. This is a bit of an ascending triangle, kind of a rising wedge, but I'm going to still call it an ascending triangle slightly. We could boom this up to match that point. Yeah, an ascending triangle. Looking beautiful. Coiling up here and about to explode. So look for Ether to go up very, very high to about $841. That would be a great time to sell. So put a sell order in for Ether at 841. I guarantee it gets rejected up there. It'll do a little bit of a flag, and I think you'll be able to scoop it back in at like 780 one last time before it breaks through 800 and booms. But we have two targets here. We have one target right there, and we have a second one there, and that puts ETH at about $840. So that's it, guys. I just had to give you an exclusive look at Bitcoin. I think we're going to 30K tonight. It's like guaranteed, almost not guaranteed, but it looks like at least in 3 to 4 days, Bitcoin really, really wants 30K. So this is exclusive update on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We threw that in there, and a few little altcoins for you guys as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Love you guys.